In this video, we'll be unveiling the secret to keeping our hardworking kidneys in top shape. Those incredible little bean-shaped organs work tirelessly around the clock to filter out substances called toxins, like too many salts and sugars, unhealthy foods and drinks, certain medications, and unnecessary fluids from our blood. So let's dive in and find these kidney-friendly delights. The first vibrant veggies on the list are loaded with essential vitamins and antioxidants that can work wonders in keeping your kidneys healthy. Number 12. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation caused by free radicals and oxidative stress, which can gradually damage the kidneys and contribute to the development of chronic kidney disease. What is oxidative stress? We'll break it down. Oxidative stress is a process that occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells, including those in your kidneys. This is where antioxidants come into play. Red bell peppers contain a powerful antioxidant called beta-carotene, which works alongside vitamin C to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. By including red bell peppers in your diet, you provide your kidneys with a protective shield against cellular damage and help maintain their overall health. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Foods even found that consuming red bell pepper extract helped reduce kidney damage and improve kidney function in diabetic rats. So when it comes to caring for your kidneys, don't overlook the power of red bell peppers. Next up are irresistible little bursts of goodness that your kidneys absolutely adore. Number 11. Nature's Blue Gems, blueberries. Blueberries are not just a delight to munch on, but they also come packed with a powerful army of antioxidants and phytochemicals. Blueberries prevent cellular damage caused by oxidative stress, inflammation, and those pesky free radicals thanks to their antioxidant and phytochemical content. Research studies have shown that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in blueberries play a significant role in protecting the kidneys from damage and promoting overall renal well-being. Isn't that berry-licious? For those with kidney disease who need to watch their potassium intake, blueberries naturally contain low levels of potassium. It's like a win-win situation. You get to enjoy a tasty snack while supporting your kidney health. Next up, who knew some fish can be very healthy? Number 10. Salmon and tuna. These fatty fish aren't just delicious, but also contain omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are like peacekeepers in the body, fighting off inflammation and giving your kidneys some much-needed love. Not only that, but they also promote healthy blood flow, which is like a refreshing river of goodness for your heart and kidneys. Talk about a dynamic duo. But that's not all our fishy friends have to offer. They're also protein powerhouses. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and overall health, but it's important to keep an eye on protein intake, especially for those with kidney disease. They provide high-quality protein while keeping saturated fat and calorie levels in check. It's like having a nutritious feast without any guilt. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that a higher intake of fish, including fatty fish like salmon and tuna, was associated with lower risk of kidney disease in women. Isn't that amazing? There's another veggie that'll keep your kidneys in tip-top shape while making your taste buds do a happy dance. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is low in potassium and phosphorus, those pesky minerals that can spell trouble for your kidneys. By keeping those levels in check, cabbage becomes a real asset to your kidney. It is also high in fiber and bursting with antioxidants, including vitamin C. However, its unique selling point is sulforaphane and kaempferol, the dynamic duo in cabbage that bring their anti-inflammatory powers to the table. They're like peacekeepers, soothing any inflammation and keeping your kidneys in harmony. A study published in the journal Food Chemistry found that cabbage is rich in phenolic compounds, with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Now let's spice things up with our next kidney-friendly superhero. Number 8. Garlic. This flavorful ingredient has been a star of the kitchen for centuries, but its goodness doesn't stop there. Garlic packs a punch when it comes to health benefits because it contains mighty compounds that work wonders in reducing inflammation and improving kidney function. Say hello to its secret weapon, allicin. Allicin is a bioactive compound found in garlic that boasts impressive antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and even potential anti-cancer properties. It's like a one-stop stop for kidney health and more. Garlic is also quite instrumental in boosting our immune system and lowering the risk for cardiovascular diseases. By incorporating garlic into your daily diet, you're not only improving blood flow, but also reducing the chances of developing infections, including those pesky kidney-related ones. Numerous studies have explored the benefits of garlic and its active compounds. For example, a study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that garlic extract helped reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve kidney function in patients with chronic kidney disease. Isn't that impressive? Embrace the garlicky goodness and let your kidneys savor the benefits. Number 7. Apples. Let's peel back the layers of apple awesomeness. First off, they're high in fiber, which is like a secret weapon for managing weight and keeping those blood sugar levels in check. And guess what? Healthy weight and blood sugars play a vital role in keeping your kidneys happy and healthy. It's like a crunchy, fiber-filled support system. But that's not all. Apples are low in sodium and potassium, giving your kidneys a well-deserved break. They also have a powerhouse of antioxidants, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, which are like knights in shining armor, fighting off cellular damage with their antioxidant powers. It's like an apple army protecting your kidneys from harm. How cool is that? And here's the fun fact. Apples are nature's diuretic, which means they can promote urination. It's like a natural flushing system for your kidneys, helping to tackle fluid buildup and pesky edema. Now that's one clever fruit. Number 6. Healthy and nutritious whole grains. Imagine a fiber-filled feast that helps fight inflammation and gives your kidneys a boost. That's exactly what whole grains offer. These grainy goodies aren't just tasty. They bring a whole lot of goodness to the table because they are loaded with fiber along with a variety of vitamins and minerals. Whole grains also have a low glycemic index. What does that mean? Well, it's like a slow and steady release of glucose into your bloodstream, helping to manage your blood sugar levels. That's great news for keeping your kidneys happy and healthy, as high blood sugar can be a real troublemaker over time. A study published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that a higher intake of whole grains was associated with reduced risk of developing kidney disease in women. So it's not just fluffy talk. Research supports grainy goodness. Prepare to add a splash of deliciousness to your kidney-loving menu with this next item. Number 5 is the versatile cauliflower. This veggie superhero is here to repair and rejuvenate your kidneys in the most delightful way. Cauliflower is high in fiber and packed with vitamin C. We already established that fiber is the trusty sidekick that helps you manage weight and keep those blood sugar levels in check. And a happy weight and balanced blood sugar are music to your kidneys' ears. The magical vitamin C is an antioxidant powerhouse that swoops in to reduce inflammation in your kidneys. It's like a soothing balm, calming down any kidney troubles. It's also low in potassium and phosphorus, so it helps to keep them in check. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Hypertension, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, including cauliflower, was associated with a lower risk of kidney disease. So, the research supports the cauliflower move. Wondering what's next? Here's a hint. It's a Thanksgiving staple. Number 4. Cranberries. You guessed right. Now, let's spill cranberry juice on how they can protect your precious kidneys. Cranberries have the special ability to prevent and treat pesky urinary tract infections, or UTIs, which often plague those with kidney disease. UTIs can be a real pain and pose risk to your kidneys if left untreated. But they don't do it alone. They get help from a compound called proanthocyanins, found in cranberries. These tongue-twisting warriors prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. In other words, they create a slippery slide to keep those bacteria from causing trouble and reducing the risk of infection. It's like having a natural shield for your urinary tract. Cranberries also have lots of antioxidants, which are like little guardians that fight off inflammation and protect your precious kidney cells from harm. Studies have also shown that cranberries indeed have anti-adhesion properties, making them effective in preventing UTIs. So it's not just a fruity tale, it's science. So, it's time to add cranberries to your recipe and let them work their magic on your kidney. Still, hold on to your cooking aprons because we're about to dive into the oily goodness of our next kidney-loving superstar. Number 3. Pure virgin olive oil. This liquid gold is not only a pantry essential, but a fantastic source of healthy fats that can work wonders for your kidney health. It is packed with a squad of special antioxidants called polyphenols. These antioxidant heroes swoop in to protect your precious kidney cells from a nasty cellular damage and keep your blood vessels in tip-top shape. Research studies have demonstrated the positive effects of olive oil on kidney health. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that a diet rich in olive oil was associated with a lower risk of chronic kidney disease. It's not just a drizzle of hope, it's backed by evidence. Olive oil also boasts high levels of monounsaturated fat called oleic acid, which has been shown to be our kidney's best friend. Not only does it help reduce the risk of kidney disease, but it also puts on an anti-inflammatory cape to regulate blood pressure and prevent the formation of harmful lipids in your body. Talk about a superhero in a bottle. And here's the cherry on top. Oleic acid has the power to boost your good HDL cholesterol and reduce the not so nice LDL cholesterol. So while you're in the kitchen, don't forget to reach for that bottle of olive oil. Now, on to 2 foods you need to avoid if you want a healthy kidney. These ones are going to come as a real shocker because they are foods we consume a lot of and often perceived to be healthy. Number 2 is milk, especially fatty milk. It's a real shocker because milk is perceived to be healthy and enriched with calcium that's great for your bones, and we aren't disputing that. It's just that some of these healthy vitamins are not so healthy for your kidney. Milk contains high levels of phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. Now, normally these minerals are essential for overall health, but here's the catch. As you age, your kidneys get weaker, and they won't be able to effectively filter out these excess minerals from your blood. And that's when trouble brews, my friends. With an accumulation of phosphorus, potassium, and calcium in your blood, it's like a mineral overload party that your kidneys just can't handle. This can lead to serious consequences for your health. We're talking about potential risks that need to be taken seriously. But dear milk lovers, we're not saying you have to ditch milk entirely. It's all about moderation and being mindful of your kidney health. Next up, we have everyone's favorite carnivorous delight. Number 1, red meat. It's no secret that red meat, from mouth-watering steaks to succulent lamb chops, is a protein powerhouse. And while protein is an essential nutrient for our bodies, too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to trouble, especially when it comes to weakened kidneys. Don't worry, we're not here to rain on your meat parade, but we've got some kidney-conscious insights to share. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into waste products that need to be filtered out by the kidneys. The kidneys work extra hard to clear these waste products from your blood, and it's a necessary job. However, overloading your body with more protein than it needs can put an extra burden on those hardworking kidneys. If your kidneys are already weakened or struggling, consuming excessive amounts of protein can potentially cause your kidneys' function to decline even faster. It's like asking them to sprint a marathon. They might not be up to the task. Again, we're not saying you have to give up red meat entirely. Balance is the key. There are other kidney-loving lifestyle changes you can make too. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Keep that salt intake in check. Manage your blood pressure like a pro. And maintain a healthy weight. These are like the secret ingredients to a kidney-loving lifestyle. And don't forget those lifestyle changes to complete your kidney-loving journey. Did you know that an estimated 37 million people in the U.S. and about 15% of the adult population are affected by kidney disease? But here's the kicker. A whopping 90% of those with kidney disease don't even realize they have it. It's like a hidden enemy lurking within. Thank you for being so patient up to this point. It is greatly appreciated. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and enable alerts to avoid missing out on future videos from us and much more. Check out this video to learn more about how to care for your body. And we'll see you in the following video. Stay safe.